Guys, what's up? In today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how to take your beaded bag from boring and basic to luxurious. So this is what I'm going to be using today. This applique. You could use any type of applique that you want. This is just the Balenciaga hourglass bag, so the tutorial I'm going to link it down in the description box. So I'm trying to find the point where I'm going to attach, and I'm going to the lid of the bag into the second row from the bottom and the second row from the side. As you can see there, I just attached my fishing line, picked up one bead on the left fishing line, one bead on the right fishing line, and I crossed with one bead. And you're going to repeat the same process again. Pick up one bead on your left fishing line, one bead on your right fishing line, and you're going to cross with one bead. At this point, you're just going to take your fishing line, join it together, then you are going to insert it into your applique or whatever ornament or accessory that you want to put on your bag. Insert it from bottom to top, and that is already showing that it's going to hold it in place. So now we just need two beads to complete it. So this is a very quick and easy tutorial if you just want to add some pizzazz to your bag. So I just picked up one bead, inserted it into the next bead at the lid or at the cover of the bag, picked up one bead on the other fishing line, inserted it there, then I just tied everything off. I'm going to repeat the whole process again on the other side. So you just tie it off 2 times and that is enough. Yeah, so this is how one side is looking like. We're going to do the other side right now. So like I said, the second bead, the second row from the bottom and the second row from the side, you attach your fishing line there, pick up 2 beads from the left, 2 beads from the right, and cross with 1 bead. Now maybe your accessory is shorter or longer than mine, so you're going to estimate it yourself to see which beads you're going to use for it. I apologize if you're hearing noise in the background. It's raining very hard right now. So I just crossed my bead and I've just sent my fishing line over, under and over. I've picked up one bead, inserted it into the next fishing line, into the next bead right there, and picked up another bead on the other side, and I have inserted another bead into the other fishing line. Then I'm just going to tie it off because both fishing lines meet at the same place, and that is literally it. It is this simple, this easy. So I'm going to create a playlist for tips and tricks in beads, and I'm going to add them there. So please check out the tutorial for these Balenciaga beaded bag. Also check how to do a magnetic lock on your bag, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.